This is addition speed test. It is developed by mathsmartafrica.org and it is developed to help learners improving their addition skills from grade 1 till grade 6. It consists of 9 numbers. It's 1 plus till 9 plus. Then there's also 6 speed levels. Level 1, there's 12 seconds between sums, and in level 6 there's 3 seconds between sums. There's also a lot of language options which can be used. Okay, we start with 7 plus test, and then we take a level 4, 6 seconds between sums.
Good. 7 plus 3. Good. 7 plus 4. Good. 7 plus 6. Good. 7 plus 8. Good. 7 plus 8. Good. 7 plus 3. Good. 7 plus 2. Good. 7 plus 8. Seven plus 4. Good. 7 plus 9. Good.
Okay, that's not bad. Scored 100%, and we can continue to a higher level, level 5.